Hello, I'm Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to try out a new panel product. This is the Palight board from Palram. It is a foamed PVC product. It's significantly lighter than, say, melamine, very smooth surface on the outside. Definitely interesting to play with. First thing I noticed about it is that it's not as rigid as some board products. I just put it on these two 2x4s here to try it out, and if I put my weight on it, you can probably see it flex. So I would be careful on shelf spans. It's available, this is a 3/4 piece, 19 millimeter. It's available in a number of configurations. We just got a couple of 2 foot by 4 foot sample boards to play with in the shop, and I thought I'd show you some of the things that we found out while experimenting. First obvious question everybody wants to know is, how does it cut? So let's try that out. It doesn't bother the SawStop saw at all. And look at this really smooth cut. It's really nice, and it goes through like butter. It's just, it's hard to believe. It's, you know, you're thinking you're going to get more resistance, and you just don't get it. It's kind of interesting. So next question about how does it drill? So let's give it a try. Goes through really easy. Big curlicues coming out, but it drills cleanly, very nice. Works even cleaner on the drill press. What about using screws to put things together? I found that I wanted to use longer screws than I normally would because of possible getting a little stronger grip through. So these are pre-drilled, but goes right in, locks good. And right there, nice and solid. You could also put it together with a nail gun. See how that works. Nice and solid. Works pretty good. Now, next thing that you might want to use for joinery is, can you glue this stuff? Well, it's PVC. I tried a couple of different kinds of glues, and quite frankly, good old-fashioned PVC cement, like you'd use for, you know, Schedule 40 PVC pipe, works great. This section here was all glued with just normal PVC cement, and it's really rock solid. Some of the other glues I tried didn't work so well, but PVC cement works great. What about other tools on it? I mean, this is just a rasp. what happens with this? Cuts real easy. You know, it's a rasp. It's going to do a deeper cut, but it works. You can shave this with a chisel, and that works really good. In fact, you may find that it makes a really smooth, easy cut. Really nice. So, it's another thing that you can do with it. So it works like wood, even a little easier. It's lighter. It's a little more flexible than standard board products, so you might consider your shelf span issues and things like that. But it's definitely a great alternative, and I would really look at it if you were going to use it for, it's waterproof, so you can use it outdoors if you're going to do a outdoor kitchen project or something like that, on a boat. All sorts of possibilities there. It's very interesting and very worth checking out. Again, it's the Palight board product. These are called build boards from Palram, and definitely worth a look-see. That's what we have for today. You can see more tool reviews and product reviews at our website, woodworkingnetwork.com, and in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.